Bengaluru, known as a technology hub and one of the most dynamic cities in India, suddenly turned into a region hit by extreme weather chaos on Wednesday night, April 29, 2026. Heavy rain, accompanied by thunderstorms, strong winds, and hail, suddenly poured on the city, causing panic among residents and paralyzing various activities in a short time. This incident occurred after Bengaluru had been experiencing high temperatures for several days. This extreme and sudden change in weather caught many by surprise, including residents who were unprepared for the severe storm. The initially clear skies gradually darkened, with thick, low-hanging clouds forming before heavy rain began to fall at a high intensity. Shortly after the rain began, rumbling thunder shook various parts of the city. Flashes of lightning flashed repeatedly across the sky, adding to the eerie atmosphere. The strong winds accompanying the storm uprooted numerous trees and toppled several billboards, blocking access to major roads and causing long traffic jams at several strategic points. What shocked residents most was the hailstorm that fell in several areas. Large hailstones fell along with heavy rain, quickly covering roads and rooftops. This rare sight in Bengaluru left many residents shocked and panicked. Busy roads suddenly became slippery and dangerous, triggering vehicle accidents in several locations. Flooding was inevitable. The city's drainage system, unable to handle the massive volume of water, caused puddles to form quickly in various areas. Some main roads were submerged in water up to the knees of adults, and even deeper in some low-lying areas. Two-wheeled and four-wheeled vehicles were trapped in the floodwaters, while others were forced to stop due to engine failure due to water ingress. Traffic became chaotic. Many motorists were stranded for hours on the flooded roads. Vehicle horns honked amidst the incessant rain. Some drivers were seen abandoning their vehicles and seeking safe shelter. Pedestrians, meanwhile, tried to protect themselves from the falling hail, using whatever was available as makeshift shelters. The impact of this extreme weather was not limited to transportation disruptions. Numerous reports indicated damage to buildings and infrastructure. Roofs were blown off houses, walls collapsed, and trees fell on vehicles and property. In some cases, tragic incidents occurred due to the collapse of building structures unable to withstand the pressure of wind and rain. Emergency services were quickly deployed to address the various incidents on the ground. Rescue teams worked amidst unstable weather conditions to evacuate stranded residents, clear roads of fallen trees, and ensure main routes were real. Officials also attempted to drain water from inundated areas to mitigate the impact of the flooding.
डिवाइडर के ऊपर कार चढ़ गया था।
Meanwhile, authorities urged residents to stay indoors and avoid non-essential travel. An early warning was issued regarding the potential for further extreme weather, given the still unstable atmosphere. Residents were asked to remain vigilant for the possibility of fallen trees, downed power lines, and standing water, which could pose a safety hazard. The hailstorm phenomenon in Bengaluru has drawn particular attention from meteorologists. They explain that this condition can occur due to significant temperature differences between the upper and lower layers of the atmosphere, which then triggers the formation of ice pellets within storm clouds. When the grains become heavy enough, they fall to the surface as hail. This event also sparked discussion about the impact of climate change on weather patterns in urban areas. Many believe that the increasing frequency of extreme weather events indicates a significant shift in the global climate system. Large cities like Bengaluru are considered to need to improve their infrastructure preparedness to cope with increasingly unpredictable weather conditions. As the night drew to a close, the rain began to ease, but its impact was still felt. Damaged roads, standing water that hadn't receded, and piles of debris bore silent witness to the storm's devastating impact on the city. Residents' lives are expected to be disrupted for the next few days as the recovery process continues. This incident serves as a reminder that extreme weather can strike at any time and have significant impacts in a short time. Preparedness, early warning systems, and resilient infrastructure are crucial factors in reducing the risk and impact of similar events in the future. Amid the chaos, community solidarity was evident. Many people helped each other, evacuating stranded vehicles, providing shelter, and helping clear debris after the storm subsided. This spirit of mutual cooperation was a positive aspect amidst a challenging situation. A heartbreaking incident occurred in the Church Street area of Bengaluru when heavy rain that lashed the city on Wednesday night turned into a disaster for a local bookstore. Within minutes, overflowing rainwater poured into the store, submerging thousands of books beyond their capacity. It is estimated that more than 5,000 books, worth over 14 lakh rupees, were destroyed by the incident. The rapid arrival of the water prevented workers from rescuing them. Neatly arranged bookshelves were reduced to soggy piles, while pages dissolved into pulp. The shop owner could only watch helplessly as the collection he had amassed over the years was destroyed in an instant. Many of the books were rare editions and favorites of loyal customers. This loss was not just material, but also an emotional one that would be difficult to replace. The flooding that hit the area was triggered by sudden, extreme rainfall. The overwhelmed drainage system caused water to overflow onto the streets and into various buildings, including the bookstore, which was located in a low-lying area. Without adequate protection, the water quickly overwhelmed the space.
ये देखो भाई, ये डिवाइडर के ऊपर कार चढ़ गया था।